I'm James Spann. This is the morning edition of the Weather Xtreme video for Monday, the 26th of July. Well, you probably know what we're going to say. It's going to be hot. We'll have afternoon storms. The question is how hot, how many storms? Let's take a look and see what we got this morning. First off, coming from Fayette. Look at the Fayette County Courthouse on a fair, muggy Monday morning. Hey, check that out. Nice shot there. Moon over the Tombigbee River is seen from the sky cam down in Demopolis, looking to the south. And also a shot of that big moon coming from Daphne down in South Alabama on the eastern shore of Mobile Bay. Up on the satellite view this morning, got a surface boundary north of us near Interstate 40. And that's helping low-level convergence, and some moisture from Tropical Storm Bonnie should lead to more showers and storms later today and tonight, but rainfall distribution will be horribly uneven. Last night was a great example. We had flash flooding and rainfall amounts of up to 5 inches in spots around Cullman and Blount counties, but other areas had nothing. And it'll be the same kind of thing today. The storms are not going to move much because of light winds aloft. In terms of the convective outlook for today, we've got the low-end 5% probability of severe weather across the northern half of Alabama for the proximity of that surface boundary. There's a standard risk up north on the Canadian border. And day 2, the risk stays way up north where you expect it here in the middle of summer. On the QPF chart, heaviest rain around Nashville, 2.5 inches. This, by the way, is valid through Friday evening at 7 o'clock. And amounts across Alabama taper off from about 1.5 inches over the Tennessee Valley down to about 1/2 inch around Mobile. And again, every day we'll have storms around, but they will be the hit and miss variety. And if you get a hit, that'll mean some temporary cooling, but other than that, it'll be hot this week. And look at that. Here we are in late July. The tropics are dead quiet. The deep tropics really quiet. But again, evidence would suggest things will uptick soon, so we'll see. But for the moment, no tropical action to talk about. This is the GFS, the OZ run, valid at 1 o'clock today. Still got the 594 heat ring around, so it'll be hot. We're talking mostly mid-90s today. But again, with the surface boundary to the north and a deeper supply of tropical moisture from Bonnie, the precipitable water values are higher. Again, we should see showers and storms forming by midday, continuing through the afternoon and evening hours, and they die down late tonight. Same thing tomorrow. Wednesday, the ridge gets stronger. It means the heat might go up a tad. Down below that, showers and storms could very well thin out on Wednesday with the warmer air aloft and the sinking motion, the subsidence with that thing. Thursday, again, the same deal. We might see some upper 90s on Wednesday or Thursday, and storms should be pretty widely spaced. Friday, the ridge weakens ever so slightly as a trough forms over the east coast. And down below that, again, there could be a little uptick in the number of showers and storms. You can see the day-to-day changes are very subtle this time of the year. And then Saturday, starting off the weekend, a surface boundary is north of us in association with that eastern trough, but it's going to run out of gas, which they almost always do. Right at the end of July. But again, that would suggest some chance of scattered showers and storms. And the same thing on Sunday. Very typical deep summer weather. Hot, muggy, a storm in spots. And a week from today, it's back. The whole heat bubble tries to come back. And down below that, you know the deal. Hot, muggy, and some spots may be catching an afternoon storm. Very typical for the 1st of August out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3:30 or so today. And if you're local to us here, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 in Birmingham at 5, 6, and 10. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day, and God bless.
Weather.